I'll guide you through how to fix lines on an iPhone without the need to get an expensive screen replacement. If you're looking to troubleshoot a flickering screen or you want to avoid a costly repair and you want to solve your iPhone screen issues, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, let's figure out if it's a software or a hardware issue. If the lines are inconsistent, flickering, or disappear after a restart, it's likely a software glitch. If they are persistent and unchanging, it's more likely to be a hardware issue caused by physical damage. Let's start with the software fixes. The fastest and most common solution is a forced restart. For an iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side or power button until the Apple logo appears. This will reset the software without erasing any data. If the lines persist after a restart, carefully inspect your screen protector. Sometimes dirt, moisture, or a bad protector itself can cause the lines. Carefully peel it back and clean the screen with a soft cloth. If the lines are still there, check for a software update. Outdated software can sometimes cause display glitches. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update to install any available updates. If none of the above steps work, the issue is almost certainly hardware related. Your best option is to use the Apple Support app to check if your iPhone is still under warranty and schedule a repair at an Apple store or an authorized service provider. Otherwise, you may need to seek an iPhone technician. By following these steps, you have successfully fixed the lines on your iPhone screen. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.